The area of a circular ring formed by two concentric circles whose radii are 5.7 and 4.3 respectively is what? Question mark.
Sir, I think 44, sir.
You solved or you're done like that only?
Sir, I solved.
Circular ring like see this one, right? So area
Yeah,
of
they
circular
were
ring is
concentric.
pi capital R square minus pi small r square. So capital R is 5.7, small r is 4.3. This is in centimeter. So pi you take common, you can write here r plus r and r minus r. Is it clear? The 3.1416. R plus r means 5.7. 5.7 plus 4.3 and 5.7 minus 4.3. So 3.1416, 549, this become 10 and 1.4, correct? Now we should do 14 into 3.1416. So 14 3s are 42, so it will come 44. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Rasul, it's got the answer.
Yes, sir.
So next question. Next question is in the adjoining figure. In the adjoining figure, see adjoining figure OABCJ. This is a nice question. All of you do this. In the adjoining figure, OABC is a square of side 7 centimeter. OAC is the quadrant of circle, area of shaded region. So what is how to find the area of shaded region? Tell me, Adarsh, how to find area of shaded region over here? Tell me, Adarsh, area of shaded region is equals to area of Teja. Can you tell me?
10.5 cm square.
All of you on the camera, children now. All of you on the camera. Samarth, Teja, Rasul, Praharshan, Adarsh. Nobody has on the camera till now. I can see Samarth, Praharshan. That's it. Adarsh, Rasul, and Teja. On your cameras fast. So area of Praharshan, what you should do? Area of square minus area of
Sector.
area of square minus area of sector. So area of a square is side square, that is a square.
That's 10.5.
Which one? Praharshan?
0.5.
10.5.
Yes.
Yes, sir, I also got some.
First only 10.5.
Yes.
So area of sector is 90 by theta by 360 into pi r square. Pi r square. So here what you have taken pi value?
90.
7 square. Pi value. 22 by 7 you have taken or 3.14?
22 by 7.
22 by Adarsh. I can't hear you.
Hello, sir, can you hear me?
Now I can hear. Yeah.
Okay.
If you unmute your mic, then only you can hear now. So theta by 360 means 90 by 360 into you have taken 22 by 7 or 3.14. Samarth?
Yes, 22 by 7 only.
22 by 7 and radius side is 7 centimeter. Radius is also same only 7 into 7.
7 into 7.
So 9 4s are 36, 7 7 cancelled, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are. So 49 minus 77 by 2. This become 98 minus 77 divided by 2. So it become 21 by 2. The answer is 10.5 centimeter square.
10.5 centimeters.
Rasul, on your camera. Teja, I'll remove from the meeting. I'll wait for a few minutes now and remove from the meeting, okay? And anyway, you are not interested. Not answering, simply you just come for time pass. Teja, please on your camera. and respond. Here two formula we have learned till now. See, first formula what we have learned. First is area of a square, that is side square. If you not remembered before, then just remember right now. And area of the sector is theta by 360 into pi square. These two formula we have learned in this question. Okay, what are the highlights? Next question is question number 3rd. Let me see which question is this. Question number 3rd. So sector is in a form of circular sheet. This is okay, fine. All of you find this question, children. Question number 3rd. I think you started solving. The sector is cut from a circular sheet of radius 100 centimeter. The angle of the sector being 240 degree. If another circle of area same as the sector is formed, then the radius of new circle is.
So the answer is 81.5 centimeters.
Hey, you are using calculator? No, Samarth. Don't use calculator.
No, sir, I am not using calculator.
You are using calculator 100%. Correct.
No, sir,
Oh.
why are you saying? Why did you say, sir?
Huh?
Sir, why did you say that I was using calculator?
Before you told no, okay, sir, I'm using calculator. That's why obviously you are having calculator all the
That
time with
I
you.
was using calculator. Now I am using.
Now you're not using.
Yeah.
Okay. Sector is cut from the circular sheet of radius 100 centimeter. So this is your circular sheet. So radius is 100, r is equal to 100 centimeter, and your angle of the sector is 240 degree. So theta is 240 degree. Okay. So this theta, you just think this is 240 degree. Okay. If another circle of area of the same sector is formed, if another circle of area of same sector is formed, the radius of new circle will be another circle of same area of the sector. So how to find this? Samarth, tell me how you have done.
Okay, sir. And just a minute. Let me take a minute.
Question you make me understand first. First we have drawn here, this is 240 degrees, sector is 240 degree here.
Or let's say.
Then again,
Okay. So
radius
we
is
can
100.
directly put the formula theta by 360 into pi r square.
360 into pi r square.
Yeah, we just put the value of pi there.
So area of sector,
And,
what you have to find here? Which is new circle? Which is what area? Area same as sector formed. What do you mean by this? Another circle.
Yes, sir. A sector is cut from a circular sheet of radius 100 centimeters. So the r is 100 centimeters, and this sector, the angle of this sector being 240 degrees. If another circle of this area same as the sector is formed, and then the area of the sector will be equal to the area of the new circle formed. So we have to first find the area of the sector.
Okay, tell me area of the
Then,
sector.
sir,
Wait, we'll go step by step. Area of sector is equals to what?
240 by 360 into pi 100 square.
So 240 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 100 into 100.
Yeah, you can just put the value of pi as it is because it will get cancelled in the next one.
What, 3.14?
No. You just put it as pi.
Achha, pi only.
Don't take the value.
Achha, only pi you should take.
Yeah, in terms of pi we can take, because in the next step it will get just deleted.
Okay, after this what you should do?
Just multiply it and you will get the
So
area of
here
sector.
6 4s are 24, 4 by 5, correct? And 5 20s are.
Yes.
So 2 4s are 8, 8 followed by 3000, 8000 pi, correct?
Yes.
After this, what you should do?
Sir, hence, sir, the area of the circle pi r square equals to 8000 pi. So r square equals to 8000.
Okay. The new circle area is the area of the sector you are saying, right?
Yes, sir.
So area of new circle new circle is equals to area of new circle is equals to area of sector, right? So area of new circle is pi r square. So pi r we have to find, right? R square
Yeah.
is equals to area of sector is 8000 pi. So pi get cancelled. So r square, r is equal to root of 8000. So what is root of 8000?
81.5.
81.5 only. 8 is a 64. How you got 81.5 over here? 8000. How to find square root of this? You can
Yeah,
take 2, you can take from this. So
yeah,
8,
no, sir.
8.
I take 400 as 400 into the rest multiply. Root over of 400 we get 20. You take to the center and the rest comes under this.
So you can take this also. 400 into what? 20. So 400 will be 20. 20 root 20. Again,
Yeah.
you can take 20 and root 20 is into 2 root 5, correct? So 40 root
Yes.
5. The root 5 value you remembered.
Yeah, 2 point something.
Here you see, answer is 81 also, 83 also. If something mismatch, gone. 2 point something and all if you do, then here point mismatching is so much, see, nearby things are there. So 8,
Okay,
you better do in this way, 8 is 64. So here it will come 16 down, again double 0 will come. So 8, 16. Then what you should put over here? 16 table, and this is 69 will go. What will go? 8 169 into 9 if you try. No, it won't go by 9 and all. 16 table, 160 will come. Actually, this becomes 17 almost, right? This become almost
yes.
17 table. The 17 table, 160, how many times will come? 9 times or 8 times or what times? 8 times 17 table, huh? So try here 169, 8 you try because 9 it will not go. 168, 8 what will come? Samarth, tell me 168, 8
Sir, 1324.
13
24.
24 or double 4?
So double 4, sir. 1344.
So 1344. If you try by 169 into 9, then it will go more than 1521. So it will go by 9 also, children. 9 you should try. 169 and 9. So 1521. The 9 you can try. Point. What 89 is coming here, but here 88 only is given. What is this? If you take directly root of 8000 only is coming, no? Root of 8000. It's 89.44 is coming. If I'm just solving over here. If I solving I would calculator 8,000 is correct, no, children?
Yeah, you did some mistake, I think.
Okay, let me check once. So 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. This is clear, and 520 only will come. So 4 2s are 8. 8,000 only will come here. 8,000 pi, correct?
Yes.
And pi r square is equal to 8,000 pi. What is the problem here then? So root of 8,000 only will
Unable
come.
to get the mistake.
But you have solved already. You 81
Yeah,
points. How, where we have done a mistake?
Just one.
If you have solved all, immediately you can find out if we have done mistake.
Yeah.
Correct.
Sir, 240 by 24 by 30.
Now I understood where I've done
Yeah.
mistake. Where? Tell me.
240 by 300. Then the 240 by 360.
Yeah, 360 we should do. The here 6 will come, right?
You took
So
300.
yeah, this is 360. So answer will come here 6, right? Now in 6
Yes.
table, how it will have to? It is very difficult then, right? The 6, 2 3s are 6, and 2 2s are 4. Again here, 1 followed by we have to do change again completely. So completely, then what calculator you have used not directly, Samarth, for this? 100% this time calculator only.
No, sir. How can this is
So,
computer.
so 81, which point you told, how you solved, tell me now. Here, what will come? This will not come at all.
I
Here,
used to get approximate. That's it.
you'll get here 100 into 100, right? And again into 2 pi divided by 3, correct?
Yeah.
So R is equals, this pi first we get cancelled. Then what you write? R is equal to root over, R is equals to root over 100 into 100 into 2 divided by 3. How we have done 81? Just tell me now, Samarth. 100 is easy only. 100 will become 100.
Yeah,
Again,
100
root 2 by
then
3 will come.
root over of 2 by 3. You will get root 2 by root 3. So 1.44 by 1.171.
Then,
That's easy to solve, right? 14 by 17.
acha. 14 by 17. After this, 1400 by 17, how will find? For 1400 by 17, what do you get? Tell. 1400 by 17, what do you get? S- 1400 divided by 17.
Yeah, so
It
1400 divided by
82.35 is coming over here. But here, see, you
how
should
much?
1.414, then 732. You have to go exactly
Yeah.
as per that,
We
right?
took approximate value. Yes.
This will come same only. It is coming upper downward. Here 81.5 only will come, children. Wow, Samarth, you did pin to pin 81.5 only. Yes, correct. Next question. No one is having doubt in this. So Rasul, you have solved this before only.
No, sir.
Okay. So here this.
Now I was not using calculator, but from the next question I am using calculator.
Okay.
Just
Fourth
much
question. Fourth question. Now you tell. In a circular grass lawn of 35 meters in radius has a path 7 meter wide, taking around it on the roadside outside, then the area of the path is what? Circular grass lawn of 35-meter radius. So this is your circular graph, 35-meter radius, has a path 7 meter outside. This is 7 meter outside. This path is 7 meter. Okay. Then the area of the path. The area of path is what? See, capital R, if you see, capital R is 35 plus 7. That is 35 and 5, 42 centimeter. And a small r is what?
The answer is 1694.
35 centimeter. You can use the formula and get the answer. Pi r square minus pi r square. So pi is common. You can take 42 plus 35.
Minus 35.
So 42 minus.
Yeah, okay.
So a plus b, a minus b. You can just use the formula, get the answer. Okay. We'll not spend much time. We'll just move further.
Okay.
So next question is question number 5th.
Sir, I got C as the answer.
C answer you got? No. Okay. Fine. 1694, right? Okay, I'll put here 1694. All right. Next, area of semicircular field is 15400 square meters. Then perimeter of the field. Area of semicircular
half
field.
pi r square equals to 15400.
So half pi r square is equals to 154.
Yeah.
So 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. That is, we have to find only. So without radius, we can't find perimeter of the field, right?
Yes.
So
There
r
may be
square.
some relation between the area and perimeter. But
relation is there.
Yeah, from this formula only they find the
2 into 7 divided by 22. So this will cancel 22. What will go? 7, right? 700 will come.
7. Yeah, 7.
If you remove means 700 into 2
Seven-
into 7. So what you'll get here? 70 root 2.
70 root 2.
Correct.
Yes.
So 70 root 2. Now perimeter of the field. Radius you understood. So see, this is this is your semicircular field. The perimeter is what? What is the perimeter for this?
Sir, half to pi r, sir.
Pi r plus 2r, correct?
Yeah, pi r plus d.
D, correct. So D is nothing but, you know what is D. The pi r, what is pi value? 22/7 into radius. Radius is 70 root 2. 1 minute, children. (22/7) into radius, that is your 7.
Sir, I got
Eh, eh,
360 root 2 meters.
This is 70 root 2, no radius.
No,
Eh,
sir. C is the answer. Okay.
1 minute. So this is 70 root 2 plus 2r means 40 root 2, correct? Sorry, 140 root 2. Like this only you have done.
Yes.
So 10 root 2, 10 into 220. 220 root 2 plus 140 root 2. So answer will be
Root
what?
360 root 2.
360 root 2 meters. This is the answer. Like this we have to do. Is it clear to everyone? So this is very interesting questions. But this is taking time. How many questions are coming in this term exam? Upcoming examination?
Sir, luckily it's only 3 marks, sir.
3 marks.
It's gonna be like 4 questions, I guess. 3, 2, 3, 4 questions.
Acha, okay. Next question. Area of the circle can be inscribed in a square. It's of side 6 centimeter. Area of the circle that can be inscribed in a square. The square is this one. And area
Sir,
of the
am I audible?
circle. It's audible.
Yes,
Area of the
I
square
got
described in a circle sides is what? So circle is inside the square like this. So what they're asking, area of circle that can be described in a square. Acha. Circle area they're asking, and this is 6. 6, 6, 6. So how
Sir,
to
that
find?
one's easy, right?
Huh?
It would be. It's easy, sir.
Only pi r square, no?
Yeah.
So pi is pi as it is, you put. Radius is what? What is radius? 3. So 9 pi centimeter square, correct? 9 pi centimeter square. Others, option D. Super others. Next. Like this only questions will come others. If your hard question is coming, you should practice. That's it. How much question you will practice, that much is good. Next question. Sum of the area of 2 circles. Sum of the area of 2 circles which touch each other externally is 153 pi. Then the sum of the area of 2 circles which touch each other externally at 153 pi. If the
Sir,
sum of their radii is
answer
15.
sir.
4:1.
Yeah, I had done this question before.
The sum of the areas of 2 circle. Those circle which touch each other externally. Externally they'll touch. They'll touch externally. Okay. So which type kind of circle is this? this touch externally one. So is what area of 2? If you see here, pi r square plus pi capital R square is equals to what? 153 pi, correct? This only, no? Is it clear, Rasool?
Yes, sir.
And pi, what is answer? Answer you got?
No, sir.
So 153 pi. The pi get cancelled. The first equation you got from here, right? And sum of their radii is 15. So r plus r is equals to 15. If the ratio of the larger to the smaller radius is what? So first you have to find this one. This is 1 and this is 1, right? So how to find capital R and small r? How you find, Adarsh? Samarth, how to find this?
Yes, sir.
How you got option A?
Sir, I just remember the answer.
Huh?
Sir, I remembered the answer. But sir, I also know the process. Sir, we have to do R1 plus R2 equals to 15.
Oh, that is given only. After that?
Yeah, then pi R1 square plus pi R2 square equals to 153 pi centimeter.
Pi get cancelled. R square plus R square is equal to 15 also. 153 also you got.
Yeah.
After this?
Yes.
After this?
R1 square plus 15 minus R1 a whole square
Achha,
equals to 153.
R square plus, see, instead of a small r, what you can write, Adarsh? We can write 15 minus capital R. The same thing you put over here. 15 minus capital R whole square is equals to 153. Now you can do others. See, this is like two equations, right? Two variables are there. So you can solve easily. So R square plus 15 15s are 225 plus R square minus 30R is equals to 153. Okay. So R square is 2R square minus 30R, and you bring this 153 this side. What will come? 225 minus 153. 5 minus 3, 2. Then 12 minus 8. What will come? 12 minus 5. 7. Then 72 only. So here what will come? Plus 72 is equals to 0. Then you can divide by 2, you can do. So on divide by 2, what do you get? R square minus 15R plus 36 is equals to 0. So 36, how do we get 36? How will you get 36? Tell me, Samarth. How do you get 36?
Sir, we can directly put the b square minus b plus 1 root over b square minus 4 is equal to b.
That formula, you can't bifurcate this.
It will take time.
Time it will take.
Sir,
18 and 2 is there. 12 and 3 is coming now. Why is the problem? 12, 3.
Yeah, 12 and 3.
The answer will become R is equal to minus 12 minus 3. The answer will be 12 and 3, correct?
Yeah.
So capital R by small r. If you find here capital R is 12, so this will be neglected. You just 3 you remove right now. The small r will be 3 only. So 12 divided by 3, that is 4:1.
4:1.
It's clear to everyone? Praharshan, it's clear now?
Yes.
Rasool, you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
This was a nice question. Question number 7th.
So why are all of this so long processed?
Yeah, correct.
And there like an easier trick for 1 mark question to waste this much of time to solve?
Correct.
So like it took us 10 to 5 minutes to just solve this one question.
Yeah, it will take 5 minutes. If your speed is fast, you can solve it. But few questions will be there like this, not all. Few questions may be like this, which will make stuck you. So don't touch these type of questions before. Okay, first which you can do easily, those questions you do first. Okay.
So that's what I always do. Spending this, I almost lost the OMR sheet.
Yeah, correct. So first of all, how
we just put a sign of caution on this question. It would be better.
What?
If we put a sign of caution that it's on electric wires, don't touch.
Electric
That
wire.
sign will be appropriate for this question.
Electric wire is bent, you are saying that one or which one?
Sir, you will see in electric wires or some where it is dangerous to go. There is sign of caution, a triangle, yellow color. Yes.
Acha. Okay, see this question. A race track is in a form of ring whose inner and outer circumference is 437 and 503. Area of track is what? Area of track is question mark. Area of the track is. Area of the track. A race track is in form of circular ring. See here. A race track is in form of ring whose inner and outer circumference. Inner and outer circumference they were given. It means what? Ring is like this one, right? So inner is 2 pi r. Circumference 2 pi r is given 437 and 2 pi capital R is given 503 meters. Okay. The area of the track is, what is the area of track? That you can find easily. If you know capital R and small r, you can find this or not. See, formula of area of track is what? Pi r square minus pi small r square. So pi as it is, r plus r and r minus r. How to find Samarth, this one?
Sir, you are doing correct. Sir.
Correct way I'm
Mm.
doing.
Yeah.
So if I do here addition, if 2 pi r plus 2 pi small r, if I add, what I get? Here I'll get 1000. What will get? 4730, 3 and 1, 4 and 9. 940 we get. 2 pi capital common r plus r is equals to 940, correct?
Yes.
So r plus r is equals to, we are getting r plus r is equals to 940 divided by 2 pi. So how to find? How to find here 2 pi? R plus R we
We'll
got.
get 470 by pi, right? We'll get 470 by pi.
Yeah, 470 by pi. Yes, you can write 470 by pi. And R minus R, how to find? See, R plus R, if you know, you can find R minus R easily by that formula, other formula. See, R minus R whole square. What is that? But you don't know that, right?
No.
R plus R, you know. Then what to do? Here we understand. See, pi will come. R plus R value we can put 470 by pi. 470 by pi. But what will about R minus R? How to do? Tell me, Rasool, how to find R minus R over here? R minus R also you can find by the same formula only, children. See, how to do is, we can do in this way. 2 pi R minus 2 pi R over. So 503 minus 437. So 3, 6 will come 13. Then 9 minus 3, 6. That's it. No, 66 will come for this. So 2 pi common. So R minus R is equals to 66. So R minus R is equal to 66 by R minus R is equals to 66 divided by 2 pi. It's clear. Now 66 divided by 2 pi. Now this will get cancelled over here. Again, you can write 33. You can write 470 into 30. Sorry, 33. Divide by pi means 22 by 7. So 22 by 7.
Sir,
Is it
I
clear?
got the answer B, 4935 by a
Okay.
different process.
11 2s are 11 3s. By different what?
By a different process.
Okay. 235. The 235 into 21 you do 235 into 21. So 235 470. So answer will be what? 4935. Answer will be only you are getting. You're
Yes,
getting you.
sir, B only.
Okay. Is it clear, Rasool?
Sir, I'm not getting the answer.
See, this you understood what I'm teaching right now. Did you understood this much what
Sir.
I'm teaching? What I've done that you understood?
No, sir.
See, first what I have done, they have given the circumference 2 pi r they have given and 2 pi capital R, right? So 2 pi small r is given 437 and 2 pi capital R is given 503. This is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Then once we are adding this and once we are subtracting to get the value of r plus r and r minus r. So if you add, means if you add both, you will get r plus r is equal to 470 by pi. And if you subtract both, you will get 66 by 2 pi. The first step is this one. Second step is here. Second step here. Third step, you can do this one. That's it. So this is the answer for last answer is 4935. This is your answer. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's
Isn't there a faster way to do it?
Faster way. How fast? These are long questions
Sir,
only.
sir, I do it in a
Actually, you have
faster.
done faster way, Samarth.
Sir, faster you cannot say. It's more lengthy.
More lengthier you have done.
Yeah.
See, children, how you can do faster? No, if you are having practice. That's it. This is the only way.
Sir, that's the fundamental, sir. I'm asking for a trick or something like that.
Tricker. I'll come with a trick later on. Then this is wishes. Vedic maths. If you're learning something Vedic maths, so obviously that some easy trick will come. And shortcut will, you know, shortcut you can't remember for a long time. That is also there.
Sir, until term 1 is over, we can remember, sir. After that.
Okay, I'll find something easier method. Means easier way. How they have given the answer, Samarth, in the this one in the net and this one in the click on the CBSE site. आलू बोल के वो बनाओ ना आलू चाप खाली आलू को बनाओ टिक्की नहीं खाली आलू और वो आलू नहीं है उबालने का इसमें उबाल दिया जाए आलू निकाल के उबाल जाएगा हाँ वो आलू चाप ऐसे बनाने के बोल रहे हैं ये वाला आलू चाप जो इमली लगे बनता है इमली नमक का So just see question, children, all of you. Till you are having any hard questions with you till 20 seconds, you see.
Sir, hard. Yeah, every of the question is hard.
You see.
Case study based are more hard. Yeah.
Case study will be harder.
Yeah.
Okay.
Case studies are more harder than these questions.
Acha. Okay. 1 minute, I'm seeing that answer, how, what they have solved here. Some different method they have solved or same only? Acha. Acha, easy method, what they have done, no?
Just let me check.
2 pi r1 directly value they have taken. 2 pi r1 is equal to 503. 2 pi r2 is equal to 437.
That one I have also done. That's answer.
Acha, that only.
Yeah, but it got a little bit lengthier by the calculation.
Acha, okay. So 2 pi r1 is 437. This become lengthier only. Yeah, correct. R1 is equal to 470. But okay, fine.
Sir, 17th question.
17th question. Okay. This is very interesting actually. So this actually someone has sent me on WhatsApp this same question from some school teacher was there. He was asking in the group, what is the answer for this? Wow, super, Rasul. And I have not answered them. He has asked the question in the group, but I have never answered him. But here, no. Options he has not given. Only he has given the question. That's it.
Sir,
If
I know
this,
the process, sir. Yeah,
huh?
I know the process.
Okay. So here, if the circumference of the circle and the perimeter of a square are equal, both are equal, then area of circle is equal to area of square. Then what we can just do over here? Suppose you can take perimeter of square. We'll take like this. Perimeter of, suppose one square is there,
Sir,
right?
area of circle is greater than area of square.
So what we can do here? Yeah, maybe I don't know. So one we take the square, this one. Okay. So this area, this perimeter will be what? This perimeter will be 4, correct? And same thing, this becomes circumference of the circle. It means pi r square is equals to what? 4 only. Sorry, no, 2 pi r is equal to 4, correct?
Yeah.
So pi
Pura?
r is,
Oh, yeah. Circumference of circle and the perimeter. Okay.
and pi r is equals to what? 2. Pi r is equals to 2, correct? ये गजब का है यार, मोबाइल में ना कहाँ है? चलो हो जाएगा कनेक्ट, इससे कनेक्ट कर देते हैं। ये कनेक्ट हो गया, इसको कर दो यार, डिस्चार्ज हो गया, पूरा स्विच ऑफ हो गया ये। आता है तो सब कैसे बैठेगा वो सब? उन लोगों के लिए किए हैं।